And once the pH level of your skin is disturbed, it can expose your skin to infection and bacteria, thereby leading to breakout on the skin. This product will damage your face. Hello and welcome to my beauty channel. My name is Damla. If you're just seeing me for the first time, please subscribe, turn on post notification, like this video, and do share this video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 6 products that will damage your face. What are these products? Please watch this video till the end. The first product on my list is body lotion. Now, people often ask me, Damn Lola, can I use this lotion on my face? And my answer is always no. You know why? Because lotions have thicker consistency. It's either they have watery consistency or thick consistency or oil-based ingredients in it. So you cannot use a body lotion on your face. It will clog your pores, thereby resulting to breakout. There are some people that can still go ahead and use body lotion on their face and they're fine, they're okay, they're all right. Most companies that make products, when they make a particular body lotion, they try to make a face cream for that body lotion because they know there's a difference in the process. So you don't want to try and risk it and use body lotion on your face. Why don't you just opt for a smart tip? Avoid body lotion on your face and get a moisturizer. Okay, get a moisturizer. If you want me to recommend any moisturizer for you, ask me for that at the comment section. I will be there to answer you. Okay, the next on our list is sugar. Now, sugar is amazing. People use it for DIYs to scrub their face, to exfoliate their face, right? It's very good for exfoliating. But as good as sugar is, it can also be bad on the skin. It can cause redness, it can cause irritation, it can cause itchiness, especially for those of you that have sensitive skin. You want to be very careful. So it's better to be safe than to be sorry. If you watch my videos, you know I always preach being safe. Be safe. So you don't want to say, okay, because I'm trying to treat something, especially if you have acne on your face. If you have acne on your face and you're using sugar scrub, my sisters and brothers, you want to think about it. Generally, you're not even supposed to even use scrubs like that on your face. Chemical exfoliant is best than physical exfoliant on the face. Please go and ask anybody. Chemical exfoliant is better or best for the face than physical scrub. So don't apply sugar on your face. Opt for chemical exfoliant. All right. Now the next thing on our list is hot water. Hot water. When I say hot water, I don't mean extremely hot though. No, that's not what I'm saying. Of course, you cannot apply extremely hot water on your face. It will burn your face, like literally burn your face. I'm talking about more than warm water, like hot. You can still feel the hotness on your face a bit. It's not very hot, but it's a bit hot. That's what I'm talking about. Don't use any form of hot water on your face. Level 1 hot, level 2 hot, level 3 hot. Don't use any form of hot water on your face. Why? Because it would make your face sensitive. It will not only make your face sensitive, it will strip your face of its natural moisture. Now, making your face sensitive is one thing that you need to actually really consider, like put into consideration before you use hot water on your face. Because when your face is sensitive, before you know it, you start reacting to a lot of products they're not even supposed to even react to. You just notice that I don't used to react to azelaic acid before. When am I reacting to azelaic acid? I don't react to retinol. When am I reacting to retinol? That's because you are now using hot water on your face. So you need to think twice about it. Opt for a warm water or steam your face, facial steam. Go to a spa or you do your steam thing from the house. Go for facial steam instead of applying hot water on your face so that all the dirt can come out. I get it, you want to make your face really clean and all that, but please do not use hot water on your face at all. It will damage your face. If you have been doing it before and it's fine for you, it's okay for you, you don't have any issue with it, it's fine. But I can tell you categorically that your face is now sensitive. Very, very sensitive. Now, number 4 on our list is baking soda. Baking soda. Now, baking soda is amazing. It is amazing. It has multi-purpose benefits. It is very, very good. It is because it cures a lot of things. It cures a lot of things. But the thing is, baking soda is alkaline in nature. That's one thing you need to consider. And because it's alkaline in nature, it can cost your skin of its pH level. And once the pH level of your skin is disturbed, it can expose your skin to infection and bacteria, thereby leading to breakout on the skin. Am I making sense at all? Good. So please, I'm begging you to please, those of you that use baking sodas and it's working fine for you, you are doing well, you don't have any issues, all well and good for you. If you watch videos on how to clear acne and you see somebody mixing baking soda with something, do this DIY with baking soda, you're gonna be fine to clear. See, let me tell you, sis, you need to be careful. It's not everything you see on those influencers videos or those YouTube videos or those TikTok videos that you will also do, because your skin type is not their skin type. You guys have different skin type. Do you understand? So you don't have to copy everything. Instead, maybe you watch my video or you do research on your own. Do your research. Go to a dermatologist to prescribe something, to recommend something for you. Be safe, my sis, be safe. You don't want to expose yourself to something like this. I'm telling you categorically, because I know how it feels like to have a lot of acne. Let's not go to other skin dramas. Let's specify on acne. A lot of breakouts, a lot of acne on your face. Oh my God, it can be very demoralizing. It can, make you lose your self-confidence. It can be super draining, whereby you cannot even go out. It can be depressing. So when you're trying to clear acne, don't go and expose yourself to something else. There are other skin issues like rashes, extreme rashes. I've gone through this before, guys. I know what I'm saying. So please, let's be very careful while trying to treat all these things. Let's not say because we want to do DIY or we don't want to spend money on dermatologist, blah blah blah, or exposing ourselves to things that we're not supposed to expose ourselves to. So I hope this is helpful. All right, number 5 on our list is coconut oil. Coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is good. It's a carrier oil that is amazing. It can be used to clear a lot of skin disease. It can be used to, cure a lot of skin issues. There is no cap about that. Coconut oil is amazing. But the truth is, if you have sensitive, oily skin type, you want to think twice about using coconut oil on your face. Please, I'm begging you, think twice about it. Just opt for something else than using coconut oil on your face, directly on your face. Opt for something else. Don't go near it. Don't try it at home. Don't do it. Please, I'm begging you, please do not do it. Number 6 on our list today is, apparently I have 7. Wow. I think I have another one. It's going to be 7. I have a bonus for you guys, so it's going to be 7. Number 6 on our list is toothpaste, because I have to mention that last one. I have to mention that one. Number 6 on our list is toothpaste. Toothpaste, guys. Oh my goodness. So I see some videos where people do DIYs with toothpaste to clear acne, to clear pimples, clear a lot of skin dramas and all that. And it works well for them. But like I said earlier on, it is not everything you see on social media that you do to yourself, especially to your skin. If you love your skin so much, you don't want to be test running on your skin. Toothpaste is made with very, very strong ingredients. When you use toothpaste on your mouth, how does it even feel? Like, just put toothpaste on your mouth. Don't brush it, or put it in your mouth and try to get the feeling. The feeling is like you putting mouthwash in your mouth. That's the feeling. Not something talk of applying it on your face. Sis, yo, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to your skin? So please, I'm begging you to please do not, I repeat, do not use toothpaste on your face. Don't do it. There is no other solution. Don't do it. Please, opt for better things. Use a mouth cleanser. See, there are a lot of things you can use to clear acne. If you need me to recommend something for you, meet me at the comment section. I will be there to respond to you. A lot than you now going for toothpaste, baking soda. Oh no, please don't use all those things. It is wrong. All right. Now, the last but not the least, I said it's going to be 6, right? But it's now 7. The last but not the least is Dettol. Now, as I see a lot of guys, this video, up here, this lady was applying the tool on her face where she mixed it with, she diluted it with water, and she used it on her face. She does not have acne on her face, so nothing. Her face is looking so good, so nice, so appealing, but she still used a diluted Dettol on her face. Now, when I made a research and I checked, is it proper to use diluted Dettol on the face? They said you can use diluted Dettol on your face. Make sure you dilute it with water, But you know what I will tell you guys? I would say that don't even use diluted or non-diluted or don't use it on your face. Why? Because the tool is a disinfectant. People use it to disinfect their house, their homes, to clean up everywhere. So why would you want to use something that is a disinfectant on your skin? Like I can't seem to understand why you would do that, because for it to be a disinfectant, for it to be, to be something that you have to dilute with water, that means it's being made with very strong products, very strong ingredients rather. It's being made with very, very strong ingredients. You will now say you want to dilute it with water. Please let me ask you one question. Do you know the process in which they took in making the tool? No, you do not, obviously, right? How can you now tell me, if you don't know, how can you now tell me that you can know the amount of water or the quantity of water you can use in diluting the tool to get the right, measurement to now use on your face? Am I making sense at all? You cannot get it right. You did not make the tool. If the tool company did not dilute it from their own company, directly from their own company, and say, okay, this particular one is specifically for clearing acne. If they did not do it like that, why would you now say, okay, I want to take the job upon myself as a doctor, as a dermatologist, as an esthetician that I am? I want to take the job upon myself and dilute it with water and use cotton wool, dab it on my face. Why would you do that to yourself, sis? And then you will now ask, please, how can I clear acne on my face? I just finished using the top. Like, seriously, why are we doing this to ourselves? That lady does not have any drama on her face, though, and she's using diluted Dettol on her face. Like, why? So this is it, yeah. It can work for other people. It can work for some people. Like I said earlier on my video, it can work for other people, but doesn't mean it's going to work for you in particular. And because you're not sure if it's going to work for you, why would you even smell it? Why would you try it? So my point here is that do not use the tool, diluted or not diluted. Don't use it on your face. Go to the market, get something, go to the pharmacist, go to the dermatologist, let them recommend something for you to clear your acne. Don't use diluted Dettol to clear acne on your face. I saw a tweet whereby somebody was telling somebody, use diluted Dettol on your face every day to clear your acne. Sis, no, you can't do that. I just had to make sure that I mentioned this one because I've been seeing this one everywhere. I'm like, yo, why? Why are we doing this to ourselves? And you will not say that your skin will not get damaged. It will get damaged. It will affect the pH level of your skin. It will get damaged. Says, so please stop all these things, guys. Stop all these things. The people that make products that we use, recommended product that we use, they took time. They know the process. They've gone to school. They've read medicine. They've read the chemical ingredient that they should use to make product. They know all these things, so they know better than you. So I hope I'm able to convince you guys that this product I've mentioned so far can damage your skin. And I'm not confusing you guys on everything I've said so far. Please, if you feel confused about what I've said so far, please ask questions at the comment section. That is all I have for you guys for that. If you have any questions for me, ask questions at the comment section. I am there for you guys. What am I doing with my life if not for you guys? I'm just here for you people. I love you so much. That's all I have for you guys for now. Many more to come. Do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, share, comment. I love you all. See ya. Bye.